Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you what it is. Actually it's a Plazy fruit flavor jelly beans. So these are the jelly beans, colorful, you can see. Isn't it amazing? And what else? Yes, they have mentioned the ingredients like sugar, glucose syrup, modified starch, acid, citric acid and all. Yes, this is made in China. If you'll focus over here, it's written that it is made in China. So now I'm gonna open it and show you how it is. So this is the package, not a package, it's a bottle size. You need to open this cap and put your finger like this and take off the extra packet, the seal pack. And over here I'm gonna, so these are it. Isn't it? They're looking beautiful, colorful and amazing. Oh, the sound is so amazing, isn't it? Now I'm gonna taste this blue one. As the sound shows, the crickle sound, but it is very soft. Very soft. It's like you are chewing a chewing gum and slowly it is dissolving in your mouth. And good sugar quantity, it's not too sweet, some flavors are coming in it. Very nice, I loved it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more such videos, and go and try these beans jellies. And I hope these are available nearby your stores. I got this from Lulu Hypermarket and it's amazing. Thank you friends, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video.